Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some smothered chicken drumstick, and guys, you can use whichever part of the chicken you preferred. Okay, I'm telling you, this recipe is gonna be so delicious. So these are all of my ingredients. I'm gonna start off with my chicken drumstick. This is it right here that I already washed and cleaned, and I'm using 1 pack. Okay, so these are all of my seasoning, guys. Here I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper right here, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. Okay, I also have 1 teaspoon of my smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and this is 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning and 1 teaspoon of my garlic powder. Some complete seasoning, and that's 1 tablespoon. Onion, half of onion that I cut. Garlic, 3 cloves of garlic that I finely chop. Green peppers, and I'm using half that I cut also. And chicken stock, and this is over 2 cups. Okay guys, don't forget to share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. Don't forget also to give me a thumbs up. Okay, stay tuned. I thank you all so much for watching. So guys, I'm just gonna start off by blending all my seasoning together. Did I just put it right there? You want to make sure that it is all combined. Yeah, perfect. So I'm just gonna start off by adding some olive oil onto my chicken. I'm just gonna add at least 2 teaspoons. Just gonna add my seasoning, but I'm not gonna use all my seasoning, guys. I'm gonna leave back some. I'm gonna take my hand and just massage it all in. I'm just sliding down the skin and make sure it is nicely seasoned also. See that? Make sure that this seasoning is all covered. Guys, my chicken is nicely seasoned, and this is what it looks like. Perfect. You can always leave it to marinate for at least 20 minutes or so. So guys, here I have at least 1.5 cup of plain flour. So I'm just gonna add some of my remaining seasoning to it, because I know I'm gonna fry my chicken. Mix it all in, because you know guys, it's modern chicken, so you have to fry it first. As I said guys, you can fry it without the flour. Okay, it would nice and delicious this way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna slightly coat my chicken in the flour like so. You know, just light, just do it lightly, and just shake off the excess flour and just add it to your plate. Okay, and you just want to carry on with the same process. So guys, stay tuned. It's nicely coated. So now I'm gonna fry it. Okay, so stay tuned. So now I'm gonna fry my chicken. So guys, to my pot I add at least just over quarter cup of olive oil. You can also use vegetable oil to fry your chicken. Yeah. So now that my oil is all heated up, now I'm gonna fry my chicken, okay? And I'm gonna fry it, guys, for at least 4 minutes on each side. 4 to 5 minutes on each side, okay? Yes. So now, guys, I'm gonna flip it over. Nice and golden. So guys, my chicken has finished browned, so now I'm gonna remove it, okay? So guys, now I'm gonna make my smothered sauce for my chicken. So in my pot right there, I add at least just over 1 tablespoon of my olive oil. So now that my oil is all heated up, I'm gonna firstly add my garlic. Okay. Just gonna leave it for at least 10 seconds. Now I'm gonna add my onions. Gonna also leave it for at least 10 seconds. Now I'm adding my sweet green peppers. You can just leave it, guys, for at least another 10 seconds, okay? And now I'm gonna add some plain flour. And this is the same flour, guys, that I use for my chicken. And I'm gonna add at least 2 to 3 teaspoons, okay? No, that's at least over 4 teaspoons. Let me mix it all in. And I'm gonna also add some butter. I'm gonna add at least 2 teaspoons of my butter. That's my butter right there. And the reason why I'm doing this, guys, you don't want to taste the flour taste in your gravy. So you're just going to leave it, guys, for at least 2 minutes, okay? But you just want to continue to stir it. Keep stirring it. So now, guys, I'm going to add my chicken broth. while you're adding it, you want to stir it, okay? So you see guys, you're looking nice and smooth, and this is exactly what you want. Now I'm gonna add all my remaining seasoning that leave back. I'm gonna also add some of my complete seasoning. This is the one that I'm using, and I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon, okay? And you can always taste it to your liking. If you need any salt, any more seasoning, you can always add some Cajun seasoning, at least ½ teaspoon, and some of my cracked black pepper. You can add as much as you like, guys. Yeah. Give it a stir. You're looking so good already, guys. This is totally optional, but I'm just gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my dark soy sauce, because I don't like when it's too white. So that's why I'm adding the dark soy sauce. Guys, I'm telling you, I just taste some and it tastes super delicious, so flavorful. So now I'm gonna add my chicken drumstick, and I'm just gonna allow it, guys, to cook for at least 20 minutes to 25 minutes, okay? It smells so good. Just gonna pour all that gravy all over on your chicken, just like so. Guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good. Super delicious. So yummy. I'm gonna turn my stove a bit higher. So guys, I have some parsley, and I'm just gonna cut some parsley on top, just to give it, you know, some color. And as I said, I'm gonna leave it for at least 20 to 25 minutes, okay? Gonna cover my pot. Guys, my smothered chicken is all finished, and this is what it look like. I'm telling you guys, it came out so perfect. It looking super delicious, so yummy. Did I show you how the gravy look? See that, guys? Oh my gosh, this is like food prawn. I cannot wait for you all to try this recipe. It is super delicious, so nice, and full of so much flavor. I don't want the gravy to too thick, guys. I want it to, you know, look a bit runny as well. So this is exactly what you want. The chicken is perfectly cooked. So guys, I'm gonna serve my smothered chicken with some white rice on the side, green beans, and cornbread. I have a video on my channel on how I make my cornbread, so you guys can go and check it out. I'm telling you, everything right here is so delicious. You guys are gonna love this smothered chicken. It is a must try. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you what it look like on the plate. Don't forget, guys, to give me a thumbs up. Share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. Guys, honestly, I work so hard just to get this video out for you all. So please continue to support my channel. And if you have been supporting my channel, I thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. And you don't have to serve it with rice. You can also serve it with some mashed potato or some potato salad, some veg, anything. Okay? Yes. Now I'm gonna cut my cornbread and I'm just gonna add it side of my chicken right there. And guys, this recipe is American dish. Yes. Honestly, it goes the cornbread with the smothered chicken and the rice and the green beans goes so perfect. I really really enjoy it. My kids enjoy it so much. It is so flavorful, absolutely delicious. The cornbread is quite hot, that's the reason why it break a bit, because it's quite hot. But honestly guys, the flavor is everything. As I said, I have a video on my channel on how I make my cornbread, so you guys can go and check it out ASAP. It is so yummy. So now guys, I'm just gonna taste it for you all. I'm gonna cut my chicken. Honestly guys, it is so nice. It is so flavorful. I make smothered chicken before and I really enjoy making it because it's something different. And honestly, whenever I make it guys, I always enjoy it. It is so delicious. This is just one of those recipe that you have to try it for yourself. Yes, if you haven't tried smothered chicken before, this is it. You have to give it a try guys. And you don't have to use a chicken drumstick. You can use any part of the chicken, okay? Guys, I hope you all do enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, okay? And comment below and tell me if you try this recipe. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Stay blessed. Love you all.